So guys, as you see here, I have Logitech G29 driving force racing wheel. So I'm gonna open it and share the thoughts with you. So it was really one of my dreams to buy. So finally I got it for a good price, if I can say. It just, as you see here, the first things we have, the instruction, or what you gonna have in the package itself. So this one also, of course, you can connect it via USB. I just want to do this one, like this one. And as you see here, this is the main cable, as I believe. The charger, or the electricity. And this one play seat. Take your racing to the next level with the play seat. Of course you're gonna pay for it. Come on. Now we are getting, I believe I will do like this one. Let me just hold it. So holy God. So guys, as you see here, this is the wheel, and this is what we have. About it's compatible with the PlayStation, Xbox, and PC. So, but with PlayStation, just plug and play, and with with PC, you need actually to install the driver. As you see here, it's like from the backside, it's just like Ford Mustang or something like this. As you see here, Mustang. So, and what we have here actually, and they learned us for something, don't put your hand in it. It's not just for children. So as you see here, you can do also like this. Also, as you have here also where you can put the screws, and this is the gas and the front, the brake, the gas. The benzene or the diesel is smooth. The brake is a little bit harsh. It's just as you see here. With the benzene you can go the whole way down, but with this one can't go the whole way down. With this one, the Briage, then you can go the whole way down. And this one, it will have a lot of dust and dirt. As you see here also, you can of course just put it somewhere. And this is like Brent plug, something like this. This is the first step, this is the second step. So the wheel, and this one also in the wheel, and then the USB, it will go to your PlayStation or computer or Xbox, as you see here. Then they mention actually after you plug it and connect it, then you gonna just put it on a table or something like this. Here you can see how the material of this race stool, it's really super nice, and it's
you feel I don't have an understanding if it's really leather or not, but it is really something I liked. So this is how it is actually. The whole race is covered with the leather.
So it will be like one, one, two, and half. One and two half circle.
And now to install the driver for PC, when you need to go there on the website, and then you will see actually two different wheels. As you see here, uh, there is two different G29 just for PC, PlayStation, and PS3, and the second version G920 for PlayStation and PC. So you need actually to know which one are you gonna buy, what is compatible where with your device. Actually, to be honest, when I just bought it, I didn't know what is the difference between these two. What can I actually use for PC, or what can I use for PlayStation or something like this. But fortunately, I was lucky and just bought the correct one. But if you are using actually Xbox or PlayStation, then there is different. As you see here, also game capability. So here you will know the games that it's compatible with your device. So if there is difference between PC and also Xbox and PlayStation. So the more compatible games actually it will be with, as you see here, with PlayStation, with PC. There is also some games it missed on PC, but it's not like the others platform that like Xbox and PlayStation. So as you see here, so just be sure and to check every game or all the games that it's compatible with the device that you're gonna buy. After that, you're gonna go to the page where you can select or choose the main system that you run on, and here you can choose between 64 or 32. And if you bought actually Logitech product before, then you don't need to install any program. You just run Logitech gaming software, and then just plug it actually into the USB, and it will run automatically, and it will appear in the gaming software.
And here, as you see guys, after 2 days later, I just also bought the shifter. So as you see here, but it just seems it's not like how you expected, like a normal gear, like an auto. Of course not. And the plug, this one also goes in. They said here like you have this notch here, but it doesn't seems to me like that. Let's do one, and here two, and here 3 4 3 4 5 6, and there is no the whole way like one. This is so it doesn't seems like how it's how they here make it in the notch, like 1 2, like 3 4, now 5, must be 6, and then go back from this side. But I'm gonna just try it and share my thoughts, and you will see it.
So guys, actually, as you see here, after I just connect it with my PC and install everything, and everything is ready just to go. Unfortunately, I just discovered that the shifter it doesn't work with all the games. So he will give you an order, a sign. Command cannot be assigned from like 12 throughout 18. And what that order mean that you can't actually assign the bottom via the control software driver, but you need actually to assign it via inside the game. So if the game support the shifter, then you can play with the shifter. If the game doesn't support the shifter, that means that you cannot be use the shifter. And there is also a few little games that allow you to use the shifter. This is the just disadvantage side from the shifter, unfortunately, that we cannot use it for all games. For instance, this game, as you see here, Need for Speed Payback. So unfortunately I can't use it with it. Formula 1 also, Formula 1 2015, that also I can't use it with it. So I believe there is like similar track that too, maybe, or more like those games that you can use it with them. If I have a solution, if there is anything new on the shifter or related to this subject here, I will inform you in the first post under in the first post below the video. So be sure always to just check the first post that I pinned it on the comment below. Of course, more using for this the shifter or the forcing race in the whole, it's not easy to use. It's not as it seems actually in the real life. Yesterday I just some friends that they have cars come by and just they tested, they no, it's not easy like real life. So it's also maybe it's also different, there is difference maybe also in the beer games. So with this game it's not easy, maybe with another games, or there is something different, or the opinion is different. But for me now, I just installed Need for Speed Payback and also Formula 1 2015, because I don't have another games yet. Unfortunately, I tried it also on Grand Theft Auto 5. It doesn't support. I wished really if it's really supported and GTA or Grand Theft Auto 5 or any another games. I really wondering why they just doesn't support it with a lot of games that support actually, or you can drive or use a car inside it. There's a lot of games like, you know, Far Cry, Call of Duty, and Battlefield, and there is a lot. I know that those games is just more about actually shooter game, but also there is why I cannot use the force driving when I'm playing this kind of games. So that's it, guys. More videos you will see it, and more using from the shifter you will see it on my second channel, MZT. I just created it from like 2 months ago. I don't do a lot of games now or streaming now on that channel, because I didn't have time before because of my study. But now I'm almost finished, so there will be actually a lot of more streaming and videos will uploaded on there. So be sure also there to subscribe, and if you like this video, please give a like, share, subscribe, and if you have any question, of course, feel free to ask and to comment it below, and I will answer you as soon as I can. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit that like button. Peace.